Mosiuoa Terra Lekota, the former Premier of the Free State, National Chairperson of the African National Congress, and President of the Congress of the People, has passed on. Mosiuoa Lekota is one of the people who formed the United Democratic Front, the UDF, which was established in 1983. So Terra Lekota was one of the people who were at the forefront of the UDF. The UDF was a formation which was made of different organizations, be it political parties, trade unions, and community organizations. You'd remember that in 1983, the likes of African National Congress, the South African Communist